Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Norma Thomas, and I would like to welcome you to Social Work 670 Grief and Loss Across the Life Cycle, or better called, I think, Loss and Grief, because generally it's the grieving process that comes after a loss, unless, as we'll talk in this class, there is anticipatory grief, grieving something that we know is about to happen prior to it actually happening. If you click on my name, you will see, or you will be able to read a little bit about me, but just to tell you a few things, I retired in January of 2017 from California University of Pennsylvania, where I was the MSW program director, retiring as a full professor. And prior to that, I was at the Center for Social Work Education at Widener University, where I served as assistant director, serving 1 year as the BSW program director. My practice area is primarily in the field of aging. So for Widener University, I've now taught a number of online courses, and I'm sure you would like to know my expectations. So my expectations are that everyone will do well, and I hope that is your expectation as well. And in order for that to happen, there are a couple of things that you must do. And one, you must read the material, both the text and the articles. You must complete assignments, complete them well and on time. And I always say to students that if you are not going to be able to complete an assignment on time, please get in touch with me ahead of time. Let me know what the issue is, and also give me a time frame for when that assignment might be completed. It's a good thing to start things early because, as we know, Murphy's Law, what can go wrong will go wrong. And waiting till the last minute causes a great deal of stress, and often the writing is not the best. But life does get in the way, so if in fact there is something that prevents you from getting an assignment done on time, please just let me know ahead of time. You can email me through the class email, or you can email me at norma.thomas13@gmail.com. Please feel free to email questions, because if you have a question, others in the class may have a question too, and that will help all of your classmates if there's something that's unclear. I give students a chance to rewrite papers, especially if I get them before the deadline. So if I review a paper and give you feedback and it's not where you would like it to be, then we'll give you that opportunity to redo the paper again, ideally if I can get it ahead of time. So if you have had online courses, you know this already, and if you have not, you will soon learn that in 7 weeks, there's a lot of information that is packed into a short period of time. So it requires a great deal of organization if you are going to get things in on time. So please, 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 for the class, be organized, look at dates and deadlines. I will shortly be doing another video where we'll go over the syllabus and what's required for week 1. As you can see on the left-hand side of the course shell, each week is outlined so that you know what has to be done, what has to be read, and the timeline for each. So I look forward to working with each and every one of you. This is a very important topic because no one gets out of life without experiencing some loss and having to go through that grieving process. So this class will not only provide you information on what it means to go through the loss and grieving process, but most importantly, to be able to help the clients that we are called to serve through this process that we will all go through. So again, I look forward to working with you. I welcome you to the class, and have a good evening.